What a happy Wednesday. I just stopped by a little job to do a little punch list and share some beautiful work with everyone. Check this out. This turned out really neat. Look at the turtle. The mosaic turtle, and you got little baby turtles and starfish and our bubbler and some shells. Big nice hot tub. Beautiful shell-lock. I mean, this one right here turned out beautiful. Let's come over here and take a look real quick. Got a nice composite roof. Keep you nice and dry when you're cooking on your outdoor kitchen. Got a beautiful custom outdoor kitchen here. American-made Delta heat appliances. Beautiful stonework. We complemented the backsplash to match with the tile around the pool. Hey, Miss Bennett, how you doing?
Great.
So tell me a little bit about this beautiful project. How'd you enjoy everything?
Oh, turned out beautiful.
Turned out beautiful?
Yeah.
Would you do it all over again?
Yeah, probably would.
And you definitely choose us, right?
Yep. The grandkids have had a blast already.
Yeah, I think, what, 13 grandkids?
19.
19 grandkids. And I'm about seeing them all in here.
Yep.
I was kind of worried about doing a video because every time I've been over here since we got water in this thing, there has been babies everywhere. So we got a nice video and showing our beautiful work off. Just beautiful plaster, strip tiles. I mean, just a beautiful job. We put in a bathroom door over there, pool bath, did a set of French doors here. Oh, I like the blue paint. I like that. Yeah, it turned out wonderful. So, little overall view of everything. And, hey, y'all have a blessed day. I'm going to see you on the next one. Take care. See ya.